Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will learn our fifth lesson of Noorani Qaida. Before starting, you must know what is Noorani Qaida. Noorani Qaida means basic book for beginner to learn Quranic Arabic. Today we will learn letter Qaf to Noon. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. First letter is Qaf. 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 Qaf has two dots on top. Please read after me with heavy sound like this. Qaf. 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 Let me show you origin of Qaf. Using base of tongue touching the soft part of palate. One more time, using base of tongue touching the soft part of palate and make thick sound for Qaf. Please read after me. Qaf. 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 Next letter is Kaf. 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 Please read after me with light sound. Kaf. 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 Let me show you origin of Kaf. Using base of tongue touching the hard part of palate. Using base of tongue touching the hard part of palate and make thin sound for Kaf. Please read after me. Kaf. Kaf has no dot on top. Kaf. 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 Our next letter is Lam. 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 Please read after me. Lam. 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 Let me show you origin of Lam. Start using corner of tongue to first molar, touching the gums of front teeth. Start using corner of tongue touching the gums of front teeth. First molar. Please read after me. Lam. 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 Our next letter is Mim. 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 Please read after me. Mim. 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 Let me show you origin of Mim. Pronounce letter Mim by joining both lips together. Pronounce letter Mim by joining both lips together. Please read after me. Mim. 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 Next letter is Noon. 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 Noon has one dot on top and middle. Please read after me. Noon. 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 Let me show you origin of noon. Start using corner of tongue touching base of teeth or gums of front corner teeth. Start using corner of tongue touching base of teeth or gums of front corner teeth. Please read after me. Noon. 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 Our today lesson is completed. Now you please practice this lesson 3 times a day for 3 days. We will learn next lesson soon, inshallah. If you have any question about this lesson and previous lesson, please ask in comment section. I will give you quick answer. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.